Sundskyttilahden Ruoriniemen terassi. Ruoriniemenkatu 22 in Ruoriniemen Lahti, staircase B. Nice yearly Gen2.
Oh yeah. But in 2001, me won any 3089. Illegal.
Yeah.
Fire hazard. Eight persons were 630 kilograms. So motor doesn't sound healthy.
Yeah.
It sounds sick.
Inspected by Inspectant meeting Otis nowadays correct. Finnish lift failure 2005 would say amazing Mitsubishi Sig.
Finnish elevator filmer 2004 will say, oh, why didn't I go there? There's so many Otis 2022s.
Yeah.
Kaakkurietti siksi sais And I said hydraulic Gen2.
Yeah, that's it.